This mini crock pot is going to be so helpful and useful. It is super cute. It's a 20-ounce size, so it's basically made for a single serving. It's not bulky, it's just enough for leftovers, soup, chili, even things like mac and cheese if you're doing a warm lunch on the go. I fell in love with this moonshine green color. It is really pretty. It has a soft, modern, vintage feel, and it doesn't look like your typical lunch container. It's something you want to have on your desk. The outer lid locks down tightly, so if you're throwing it in a bag or heading out the door, you don't have to worry about the spills or leaks. The handle makes it really easy to just grab and go, especially if your hands are already full. The cord on the bottom, it detaches, so you're not stuck dealing with it when you're packing it up. It folds in really nicely. The inside container lifts right out, which makes cleanup super simple. You can just pop the inner bowl and lid straight into the dishwasher. It's just super convenient to take with you if you want to bring homemade meals. It also makes a super practical gift for someone who's on the go, like students, nurses, teachers, or if someone goes camping, anyone who's constantly packing meals and doesn't want to rely on microwave. It's super simple to use, and it's from a brand that I trust and have a lot of products from.